that thing's made out of actually is what's going to hold me in the water. To put it into a surfboard, it's been pretty surreal. We've found a slab and we're going to go surf it.
Wind turbine blades are made out of a material which can't be recycled easily.
And we're just figuring out what we can use. Looks like we're going to be riding a pretty intense wave today.
This wave in general that we'll be chasing down at Cathedral Rocks, it's probably the most heaviest spot, scariest spot on the coast, if not Australia. It's a board snapping wave. There's no room for error.